Discover the versatility of GOWE steel props. Available in a variety of vibrant colors and sizes, our props are engineered to provide reliable support for diverse construction needs. Experience effortless assembly. The GOWE Quick Release design allows for rapid adjustment and secure locking, ensuring efficiency and safety on your job site. From floor slabs to complex vertical formwork, GOWE steel props offer robust structural stability across various building applications. Built to last and easy to store, GOWE steel props are fully recyclable and reusable. We provide the high-quality, long-term solutions your projects demand. GOWE. Together, go further.